This is ivory with a pouring medium, and I want to talk about consistency just for a second before I show you how to use the Luxe metallic powders. To me, it's not bad, but it's a little bit thick. So I like to keep just a little squeeze bottle of a pouring medium right here, and I just pour a little bit into the cup, and then I can continue to get going. It just makes it nice and convenient. So today I'm going to use the rose gold metallic powder. You've probably seen me use this more than any other. Right next to that would be the opal powder, because you can add it to any color and it will give, see how that runs out? Like, it's not quite glitter and it's not quite liquid metal, but oh my gosh, it is something in between. Whew, that is holy gorgeous. Always have people asking me what's in my pieces, from geodes to oceans. So I'm sharing my secret right now. It's rose gold, it's opal powders, it's Atlantic blue metallic powders, and all I'm doing is just mixing it right in with my cup. And then I'll also use another that doesn't have it. That creates contrast. So if I'm gonna pour like a geode design, I'll do a layer with just my ivory, and then another with this beautiful rose gold, and then I'll do another with like plum. This plum has opal mixed into it, so it's gonna be amazing. And then I have a plum that has no metallic powder mixed in. Again, it just brings so much light to life to your piece to have a flat color with your shiny. Tricks of the trade. Again, this is Victoria Wynn of Wynn Modern Art, and this is the rose gold Luxe metallic powder. Whew. I just can't even believe that this isn't liquid. It's amazing.